All right, so you want to write a poem in American English.
Great choice. Writing poetry is a wonderful way to express yourself and tap into your creativity. Now let's dive into the process. First things first. Every poem needs a theme or idea. What do you want to convey in your poem? It could be about love, nature, emotions, or anything that inspires you. Once you have your theme, it's time to brainstorm some key words and phrases that relate to it. Next, let's talk about the structure of your poem. There are various forms of poetry, but let's keep it simple for now. A classic structure is the three-line haiku, consisting of 5 syllables in the first line, 7 in the second, and 5 in the third. This can be a great starting point for beginners. Now on to the fun part. Imaginary and figurative language. Paint a vivid picture with your words. Use metaphors, similes, and personification to bring your poem to life. Show, don't tell, make your readers feel what you feel through your words. Remember, poetry is all about rhythm and flow. Play around with the sound of your words. Experiment with rhythm, alliteration, and assonance to create a musical quality in your poem. Read it aloud to see how it sounds. Lastly, don't be afraid to revise and edit your work. Writing a poem is a process, and it's okay to make changes along the way. Seek feedback from others and be open to constructive criticism. So there you have it. A brief guide to writing a poem in American English. Let your imagination soar and have fun with it. Happy writing! Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more amazing educational videos.